What's up, everybody? My name is Justin for Party Rental Knowledge. I'm with Evan from Eye Candy. How are you doing, buddy?
Good, yourself?
It's a great show this year, isn't it?
Thank you. It's been packed.
So we got something special to unveil from Eye Candy this year, right?
Yes, it's our first time showing our brand new snow throw. We've got a dual lane, and we've of course got a single lane as well.
Basically, it's got your regular axes.
Well, those are ice picks, ice axes.
Oh, because they are white.
Correct.
They're ice picks.
axes.
We got some snowballs.
Lots of snowballs. Fantastic.
Yeah, I know. Mine didn't stick. What other cool stuff you got here this year?
We're also launching our Gone Viral, which is the first inflatable photo op. It's basically a big, loud, outrageous photo op. Kind of has a big, comfy family couch you'd probably recognize from TV, a giant flamingo, giant psychedelic wall, loud colors. It's just an amazing photo op for guests.
It was really cool. At first, I walked past, I was like, eh. And then I walked past it again. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get up on this thing. One step up on there, I was all over everything. I was sitting there playing with the balls in the ball pit, laying on the couch, hanging out. It was really, really interesting.
Well, I hope you posted a picture on the page.
I did post some pictures. You got more Lego units this year, or block party units, sorry, this year at the IAAPA, right?
Yes, we've got our Block Party Dry, which is a very big block party combo. And then we've got the Block Party Bounce, plain bounce 13 by 13. And then we've got the wet dry version with the external slide, a Block Party combo wet dry.
So in my opinion, but I think almost everybody's opinion, the best carnival themed inflatables in the industry. I was born and raised in a carnival. When I say I think they're the best, I think some people can take some credit or take some advice from that. I really think they're really great. So now you also make that giant boom box out there. You can stick speakers in and play music while people are jumping around.
Yes,
that's perfect for adults. Seriously, great work, Evan. Where can people find you?
You can email me directly, evan@eyecandyinflatables.com, or Facebook. You can always direct message me, or hopefully if you're at the show, come say hi.
You got a phone number?
My phone number at the office, 416-663-6660. I'm extension 25.
Thank you. Like and subscribe, everybody. Love me, baby.